All right, everyone. So what I want to do now is I want to make this start to work. So when we press any key to start, it actually starts the game. So I want you to go to the press any key to start. And it's called press any key. Let's just change it to start game. So you'll notice we've got two things here, start game and start program. Those are different. Now in start game, I want you to, this is when I receive start program show. I also want to add this. Grab out when key is pressed, so under events. But instead of space, just put any. So when any key is pressed, broadcast, new message, start game. Now, I don't want this to happen whenever, so actually just let me improve that a little bit. So hit control, and let's put an if then in. So I don't want this to game to, what am I doing now? I don't want any key to start the game if the game is already started. I only want this to happen when the game hasn't already started. So I'm going to put in an if then and grab an equals. Go to variables, grab game. If game equals not over, then broadcast start game. So you can see what happens here. When any key is pressed, if the game is not over, I should say if the game is over, whoops, my mistake. When any key is pressed, if the game is over, then broadcast start game. One other thing I want to do is I want to make sure that the game at the beginning, when you first start the program, I want you to count the game as over, because it's not in progress. So even though you haven't had a game, if it's not over in that sense, it's over in the sense that it's not in progress. So let's go to Ghost Mansion, start program, and just put set game to over. Okay, so that's enough for this video. That's just got our mechanism started for starting the game. Basically, when any key is pressed, if the game is over, then it's going to broadcast this start game message. And that's going to bring all of these other sprites to life. And we'll do that in the next video. All right. Thank you for listening. And if you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe.